Hi everybody, this is Bob and the gang from Sigma Engineering. You're watching this video, then you're interested in product information on our Sigma Engineering Monster Banded Heat Welder powered by Impulse Technology. Today I am located in Baltimore, Maryland in our demo facility, and I'm going to be doing live demonstrations on the machine. Today's video is going to be what I call a just general walk around to show you the structural integrity of how the machine is built and give you a bird's eye view of the operations from the side view of the machine. So we're going to go ahead and pan around this machine. I consider this the operator side. And the side casing on the machine, 1 3/8" steel plate. The bottom assembly of the machine is steel welded frame construction with truss members underneath. This machine is equipped with tray troughs on the front and the rear of the machine. And we're going to pan around the back of the machine real quick. And you can see there are two inspection covers towards the rear of the machine. When you're placing your machine, we need to be 4 feet off the wall so our tech can get back here and gain service access to the machine. We're going to continue with the bird's eye view, walking around to the gear side of the machine. And this is the side view of the machine. Once again, 1 3/8" steel plate construction. There is a U-shaped throat on this machine, which allows you to accommodate hangover or oversized banners, which is what I'm going to be demonstrating. So from here, this part of the video, we're going to go ahead and actuate the machine and do a live weld from the side view so you can see the mechanics of this machine. So I'm going to get started with this. Okay, so I've begun the weld sequence. I put the media up against the backstop. Here comes your mechanical fold that automatically folds your fold over hem application. Comes your media hold down bar. And here comes your folding mechanism. Folds over the fold over hem. Pressure clamp comes down to hold the media. White light comes on. The electrodes in the bars are heating up. You are now in your welding sequence, indicated by the purple light, flashing light. And now it's going to switch to a blue flashing light, which is this cooling down sequence. And then the media will release, and the operator can pull the material out and move on to the next weld. This is your bird's eye view of the mechanical operation of this device. Thank you for watching this part of the video, and that's a wrap.